I promised you that I'm going to take you along on our journey here and our stay here in Feldafing, Germany. Right now, today is day one. Yes, sunny but don't mind the sun. Today is day one, and in a short while, we are going to start actively the workshop for which we have attended. So I'm going to flip the camera and then we enter the conference room together, speak to a few of the stakeholders, and hey, I would also make sure that I bring to you snippets, the knowledge we are going to share and glean as well as expose you to all of the other amazing works in the livestock industry being done all over Africa. Okay, so as always, stay tuned. My name is Nadia, and if you've not subscribed to our YouTube channel, Farming in Africa, and are not following us across all the other social media platforms, see, you're going to miss out on all of the updates I'm going to bring you. So I love you so much. I'm turning it around. Let's do this together. If you have any questions, any comments, hey, let's engage under the comment section, okay? Love you, and it's a big hello to you again from Feldafing, Germany. See ya. Hello, how are you?
I'm fine, good morning. My name is Stefan. I work for GIZ as an advisor and headquarter. I was also working in Ghana, and now I work for the agribusiness facility for Africa.
Okay.
And we invited 22 of our beneficiaries who work in the livestock sector from 7 African countries.
Okay.
And we are here to get more skills for agribusiness. Our matching grant fund is very important because those 22 people, their projects, they benefit from the matching grant fund.
Okay.
And we have a South-South exchange of 7 different African countries.
Can you throw more light on the South-South exchange for me? I want to understand what it's really about.
Of course, some livestock farmers in Ghana, they do pretty good things.
Okay.
The colleagues from Kenya or from Tanzania, they can learn from it.
Okay.
So we have a South-South exchange. Maybe people from Burkina Faso do good things which people from Cameroon can learn from.
Okay.
So the African livestock community, they can so much learn from each other.
Okay, so that's more of collaborations, networking.
Exactly. Learning, networking, collaboration, everything, yes.
Beautiful. Tease us just a little before I let you go, because I know the day is going to get busy. Stefan, what should we expect this week, actually, especially for those of us who are being here for the first time?
Yeah, we have basically 3 points.
Okay.
We are starting, as I said, today with a South-South exchange.
Okay.
People learn from each other, people teach each other.
Okay.
Then we are going tomorrow, and on Wednesday we go on field trips.
Nice.
We visit cheese manufacturer, we visit livestock places, we visit traditional Bavarian farmers.
Okay.
And also we have invited experts for livestock.
Okay.
And they will also give lectures and teaching lessons, and they bring in latest scientific knowledge from the livestock sector.
Beautiful. So I asked you this because at the end of this week, I'm going to meet you again to run some accountability check to see if all of our expectations have been met.
Let's see.
Is it a deal?
Hope so. Yes, please.
Thank you so much, Stefan,
Okay,
and do have a
much.
blessed day.
Bye-bye.
Bye. Thank you. Hi, guys. I've met another very generous and kind gentleman, also a participant in today's conference. So let's hear from him. Hello.
Hello.
Tell us about yourself and maybe a role you are playing here. I don't know.
So my name is Abel Biguezoton. I'm a senior researcher working on parasitology, hygiene, and animal health.
From which country, please?
I'm from Benin, but working in Burkina Faso in a sub-regional research center covering 8 West African countries. I mean Benin, Burkina Faso, Côte d'Ivoire, Guinea-Bissau.
You are very international.
Yeah, something.
And what's your field of research again? I missed that.
I'm a researcher in parasitology, hygiene, and animal health.
Okay.
Yeah, I have a background in health ecology, but currently I'm more working on parasitology, hygiene, and animal health.
With this wealth of knowledge you seem to be, Which part are we going to tap from this in this conference?
Yeah, I will talk more about livestock health.
Okay.
And I have a presentation tomorrow
Oh, on
on this
livestock
topic.
health.
Exactly.
I can't wait. I can't wait. And thank you
Please.
so much, Abed.
You are
Thank you.
welcome. Thank you.
Please, may I know who you are and your role right here at this conference in Felder Things here?
Yeah, hello everybody. My name is Dr. Thomas Breuer. I'm a planning officer and technical expert in GIZ headquarters, responsible for sustainable livestock development. And I'm really happy to be here in Feldafing with all these nice livestock family colleagues here. And we are about here to exchange and to learn each other what is the future of livestock and what are the current challenges that we need to tackle.
I see you were telling me about changing the narrative people have about livestock farming, which is something really dear to our hearts as a company here in Farming in Africa. Please share a bit of that knowledge you were sharing with me on that.
Yeah, if you work with livestock, you sometimes have the feeling there's a very strong negative narrative in the perception of livestock keeping and livestock farming.
Yeah.
Be it in Africa, but also be it in Europe. And I personally believe that is a completely wrong perception because there's a strong need for more animal-sourced food. There's a great value creation on livestock production, and these kind of changing narratives that livestock on the one hand is sometimes a challenge, but at the same time, or from my personal opinion, it will be a future solution if it's done in the right way. That's my passion, that's driving. And I'm really here to talk with all these practitioners because they are doing livestock and they're facing the challenges, but also the pleasure of being a livestock farmer or a farmer every day. And that is what I'm here to share. From my family background, we're also doing dairy or have a big milk farm there, and we are so we know what we talk, or I know what I'm talking about, and that also brings the passion to exchange with the colleagues.
One last thing, I know you are going to give us a presentation tomorrow. What should we expect? So I would hold you accountable after the presentation.
Okay. Yeah, tomorrow I will talk about what in GIZ we call sustainable livestock development. So what are the starting points? So we talked about the narrative, but also what are in technical cooperation the case for action we call, why we work, where we are passionate about working in and with the livestock family. And the second, I will present the current portfolio, what GIZ is doing where and around the globe, but especially in Africa. And then in the last part, I will talk about trends and challenges that we are facing and where should we do in future, but also future technical solution, like a colleague called solar power, chilling and others. So future for these booming markets that we want to serve.
Beautiful. Thank you so much for your time, Dr. Thomas, and I can't wait to see you present tomorrow.
You're welcome.
This week-long program brought together key players and thought leaders in the livestock industry from around the world to, number one, explore new approaches in breeding, fodder production, and animal husbandry. Number two, engage in expert sessions on livestock health, climate-smart solutions, and business opportunities. Number three, to share experiences through interactive workshops, B2B exchanges, and partnership-building activities. We are truly honored to be part of this transformative dialogue. And Farming in Africa gave a presentation on us as a company and on our projects partnered with the GIZ ABF Matching Grant Fund, as well as presentations from all of the other stakeholders and the other participants from around the world. There were representatives from Kenya, from Tanzania, from Chad, from Burkina Faso, from Nigeria, from Cameroon, and it truly was an eye-opening day to begin the week-long program with. All right, I told you we've put plans in place to accomplish all of the focuses I showed you. And so Farming in Africa, imagine it as an elephant. Obviously, an elephant is huge, right? And if you're asked to carry it, how are you going to carry it? That is where these subsidiaries under Farming in Africa come in. So we have Sementia Farms. I always tell people that Farming in Africa has the credibility we have in Africa and on the world of the internet, because we don't just talk about farming. We don't just educate farmers online. We actually practice farming. So we live the talk, guys. Farming in Africa has dedicated ourselves to calling it livestock agribusiness, not just livestock farming, because it entails more than just the traditional farming practices we all know. This is one of my personal favorites, the misconceptions about livestock farming. Training programs often target men, leaving women behind in technical knowledge on breeding, healthcare, and housing. And of course, unequal access to income from goat sales, with men often controlling proceeds, even when women rear the animals. So, a big for women empowerment. Thank you very much, guys. Thank you very much. Hello, Hisham.
Hello.
How are you doing?
I'm doing great.
So I caught you, I think, before the start of this conference, and today has been nothing short of phenomenal.
Yep.
How has today been for you in particular?
It's been great. I mean, it's been great seeing so many participants from all over Africa doing what you are doing. At least it makes me feel good that, okay, I'm not alone. I'm not the only one crazy out there who's trying to modernize agriculture and all that.
Yeah.
So it's been great. It's been wonderful. We've made a lot of connections, saved
Yes.
a few numbers. We've learned a few things from each other. We'll keep it up.
What is the one common thing you saw running through all of the operations these farmers shared today?
Everybody's trying to do improved feeding, because
Wow.
right now we're
Wow.
seeing livestock farming as a business. It's
Yeah.
no longer that free range, what can come. It's more intentional because it's money. It's big money. Livestock
big
farming
money,
is
yes.
Big money. So a lot of intentional feeding, breed improvements, and those are the key things to going forward. Changing the
Beautiful.
whole
Thank you so
practice.
much, and I can't wait to see how the rest of the week unfolds for you. Thank you.
All right.
All right, ladies and gentlemen, meet another handsome participant all the way from where today?
I'm from Nigeria.
Okay, your name, sir?
My name is Uche Onoya.
I know you're a livestock farmer, but what's so special about what you do?
I'm not actually a livestock farmer.
I see.
I provide
Uh-huh.
technology to transform the livestock sector.
Interesting.
Yes, we are building a livestock database to help transform the highly informal livestock sector into a more formalized sector.
Wow. Forgive me because I assumed everybody here is a hands-on livestock farmer, but I love the value addition you are giving to the industry. What would be your takeaway from today's session?
Today has been very, very informative. You know, it's good to know that we all in the region shared similar challenges across the sector. So we're all dealing with farmer header conflicts, poor animal husbandry practices, and I'm happy that with work that I'm doing, you know, privately, that we'll be able to help transform the sector. What we really need now is the policymakers to please come on, join us, and let us make the real change that we need to do.
They have heard you. Thank you so much for your time,
Alright.
Uche. Thank you. Hello, ladies and gentlemen. A quick update for all of you beautiful people out there. Today has been nothing short of phenomenal. Very insightful knowledge shared by farmers from all over, from Burkina, from Kenya, from Tanzania, from Mali, you name it. I would try my best to introduce all of them to you. And yet, the biggest challenge still remains in this livestock industry as the challenge of feed. And so imagine the joy when you get to know that farmers in some parts of Africa are actually cracking this code into brackets. So when share grass, yeah, you people should be there. You need to get it because, hey, it's really a game changer in the industry. And just to let you know how day one has been, it's been nothing short of phenomenal, like I told you. Continue to follow us on all other social media platforms. And if you've not subscribed to this particular YouTube channel, you are missing out. Please subscribe because you never know, as I always say, where next we would go to bring you information on livestock farming and how to do it right. My name is Nadia, and as always, I promise to carry you along wherever this livestock passion takes us. We love you so much, and all the way from Feldafing in Germany. I gotta go get my jacket, guys. I love you. Bye bye, and see you in another video.